Hey everyone! Welcome back to Get the Marvel, where we unravel the wonders of coding one step at a time. I'm GTM, and today, we're diving into the world of relational operators in Java. Buckle up, because this is going to be a fun and informative ride. Alright, let's start with the basics. Relational operators in Java are used to compare two values. The result of this comparison is a Boolean value, either true or false. Think of it as a way to ask Java, hey, are these two things related in a certain way? Here are the main relational operators in Java. Let's see these operators in action with some simple code. Imagine we're comparing the ages of two Marvel superheroes. As you can see, Iron Man and Captain America have quite the age gap. These relational operators help Java decide which superhero is older, younger, or if they're the same age. Now, let's bring this to real life. Imagine you're trying to decide which superhero should lead the next mission. You could use relational operators to compare their experience, strength, or even their speed. Let's compare their speed. We'll assume Iron Man has a speed of 85 and Captain America has a speed of 70. Looks like Iron Man is faster. Relational operators can be used in countless ways in programming, from sorting data to making decisions in your code. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to relational operators in Java. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to get the Marvel for more coding adventures. I'm GTM, and until next time, happy coding.